find the average value, take the integral of 1 over, it goes in between 1 and 3. So it's 1 over 3 minus 1 from 1 to 3 of x square root of 3 plus x squared dx. And this is a u substitution problem. So this, we're going to let u equal 3 plus x squared. And that means du is 2x dx. So this is the square root of u right there. And you're left with an x dx. So we need to solve this equation for x dx. And that would be 1/2 du equals x dx. So let's change this problem from x's to u's. So it's 1/2, 1 to 3. In the denominator, you have the square root of u. And what is x dx? X dx is 1/2 du. Now, one thing I want to do is change my endpoints. I erased a little bit too much. Hang with me. So that was square root of u. X dx was du. This is an x value. I want to change it to a u. If x is 1, u is 3 plus 1 squared, or 4. If x is 3, u is 3 plus 3 squared, or u equals 12. So we're going from 4 to 12. All right. So let's review that one more time. X dx is 1/2 du, 1/2 du. And this is the square root of u, denominator is. So let's integrate this. This is 1/4 integral from 4 to 12. Everything's in terms of u. And this is u to the negative 1/2. Bring the square root of u up, du. And now let's integrate. You integrate by adding 1 and 1 over that new exponent out front. That's 1/4. U to the negative 1/2 plus 1 will give you a positive 1/2 and a 1 over 1/2 out front. In between a 4 and a 12. So that's a 1/4 times a 2, because 1 over 1/2 is 2, times the square root of u in between a 4 and a 12. So this is 1/4 times 2 is 1/2. And then you've got square root of 12 minus square root of 4. And that is, well, square root of 12, that's 4 times 3. I'm going to move up here. That's 1/2 parenthesis 2 square roots of 3 minus 2. And if you multiply 3 by 2, you get square root 3 minus 1. Done.